If a recruiter can't reach you, they are moving on. So here are some quick, easy, techie tips to make it easier for recruiters to reach you. Number one, really important, go to your LinkedIn profile, to the contact information, add your email address. Yep, put your email address up there because if a recruiter is not connected to you, they are not going to be wasting email messages to reach out to you. So put your contact information up there so that they have the ability to reach out to you without wasting that message. Okay. Next thing, make sure that your LinkedIn profile is set up so that people can send a message to you to make a connection without already knowing your email address. Because if you're restricting it that they must know your email address in order to connect with you, legitimately you're saying, I can only connect with the people I know. Right? Not really the purpose of LinkedIn, not going to help you. And if you're worried about other people, who these people are that want to connect with me, understand it's always in your control. You get a check or an X. You can always click on the X for anybody that you don't want to connect to. So pay attention, allow people to connect with you, even if they don't have your email address. Next thing, please, please, please check your spam. Okay, it is amazing how much winds up in our spam, and you don't want to be number one, angry at somebody for not responding to you when they said they would, when it's actually in your spam. You also don't want to miss important messages, interview opportunities, correspondence from recruiters. So definitely check your spam. In that same regards, why don't you set up an email address just for your job search? This way, it'll be separate from all the emails. It won't get lost amongst your store coupons, and you'll know this is where all the emails are for my job search. Next thing, set up your voicemail, right? If you don't have a set up voicemail and a recruiter calls you and they can't leave a message, they're moving on, right? They need to be able to reach you. Next, make sure that your voicemail is not full. This is actually a two-step process. Messages have to be deleted, and then the deleted messages have to be completely removed from your phone. Okay. Another thing, when you are corresponding with people, pay attention to time zones. So if they are in Eastern time zone and you're in Central time zone and they're setting up an appointment for you for 9 o'clock, make sure that you know if it's 9 o'clock Eastern, which is 8 o'clock Central, or if it's 9 o'clock Central, which is 10 o'clock Eastern. So be really communicative about time zones. Okay. And the last thing I'm going to tell you to do is please, please, please always remember your pleases, your thank yous, and respond to people in a very, very timely manner. It goes such a long way towards how people feel about you. Communication is important. Okay. I'm going to queue up a video for you right here about sneaky tips to stand out in a crowded job market. My name is Cindy. I empower career changers, transitioning teachers, and those returning to the workforce to find amazing jobs that match their current why. If you'd like some more help with your own job search, I invite you to book a free 45-minute discovery call to talk about how I can help you to be successful in your job search. I hope you remember you're a warrior. I hope this was super helpful for you. Always have a productive week. My name is Cindy. I'll see you next week. Have a good one. Bye bye.